Sa tanan pa ni siya, let's begin with the cutest. Cutest candidate or cutest participant. For the girl category, ay wala sa dili pa rin sila sa tanan na pa ni siya kay special awards man.
For the female category, okay, kinsa ka ha ang cutest award. Kinsa kayo makadawat ani. Is no other than Scarlett Tahugo.
Participant in boys category, Nanat Phil Brian Moro. Dali. Next special award, the darling of the crowd, pinakadagat fans. For girls category,
For girls category, no other than Cyril De Luna.
okay, darling of the crowd for boys category, Kit William Ubay. In production. O isa lang ni siya, walay kategorya.
Our best in introduction, no other than James Cañete.
Asa na?
Ayaw ba ng
Sige na. Okay. Next award is Best in Presentation. Costume Presentation. Congratulations, Jamaica Catino.
Next award is the most creative attire. Kinsa ka ni sir?
Congratulations, our Best in Creative Attire, Alia Denise Soncado.